Let's see how we can convert this array into an object like this. Where the key is the index and the value is the element in the array. So we'll simply use Array.reduce method, which has two parameters. First is the callback, second is the initial value. We'll see in a minute where we're using this. Then in the callback, we have three parameters: previous value, value, and an index. Actually, we have four, but we're only going to use the first three. Now let's print all of these to understand what reduce does. So let's run the code. So as you can see, reduce calls this callback for every single element of the array. Initially, for the first call, the previous value is empty object, which actually represents this initial value. For the next call, it would be whatever we returned in the previous call, which in this case, we're not returning anything, so it will be undefined. And the value and the index is like obvious, the value is from the array index, and the index is the actually index of the element. Now let's see how we can convert this array into the object. So what we had to do, as initially previous value is an empty object, we want to set the index equal to the apple, that will be the value, onto this object. And we also want to return this and send it to the next call. In the next call, which is for orange, the previous value is already set for the apple. In that, we'll have 0 equal to apple. Now we're also setting 1 equal to orange, and so on. So if we try to run this and actually also store this in an object and run this. So now let's run this. And as you can see, we're getting the object 0 apple, 1 orange, 2 banana.